Guys, welcome back. So we have someone new on the team. She's going to show you how to make a butterfly braid. Having two different perspectives on the design is definitely more interesting. So let's see how it goes. Enjoy.
Hello guys, so I'll be teaching you a tutorial on this butterfly style I saw online. So first we start by making a box braid, a giant box braid for the base of our butterfly. Then we make the downward line for the box. Once we're done with that, we start making a curve, like a heart shape for the butterfly antenna and the wing. So you just make a curve. I start with my right side, you make the curve for the right wing and the right antenna. Then you make the curve for the left wing and the left antenna, just like a heart shape. So what we are getting is a heart braid. Once you're done with that, you part the middle line down to cut it into two equal halves. Then we just braid diagonally, part diagonally for our antenna. When you part diagonally, you part down the middle just a little for the base of the antenna and the body. So once we're done with the parting, we start braiding the antenna. We start from the teeny point of the hair, so to make it look cool and nice. So we're just weaving. Once you're done with that, you repeat the same at the other part for the second antenna and the second left wing. So part down the middle again, just so it will look nice at the base, and you braid them together. So I'm just parting down the middle for the second part of the body. Once you're done with that, you start braiding your antenna. You start from the teeny point of the hair and you braid down to the body, joining the both antennas together for you to make the body of the butterfly, that is cutting it into two parts. So for the right wing, we're going to make number 3 shape. For us to make the wing, first of all, we are cutting it into two halves. The top half is bigger than the bottom half. So once we're done with that, after we're done cutting it into two halves, you part a diagonal line just at the top of the top left wing, just a little diagonal line for the butterfly wing. So after you've done the diagonal line, you curve a little just to give it its beautiful wing shape. Then when you're done with that, you start with your braiding. You braid the left wing. You start from the tiny part of the hair, just like I showed. Then you braid and curve and join it together at the top right half of the right wing. Then for the bottom part, we part the diagonal line and just braid it all together, beginning from the top diagonal part to the bottom part. Just curve it a little because this mannequin doesn't have lots of hair at the bottom edge. It wasn't that neat, so we repeat the same thing, backward 3 at the left part of the hair. So we're just parting for the number 3, backward number 3, to give it our butterfly wing shape. So once you are done with that, you repeat the same process of the right wing. That is parting a diagonal line from the inside, just like I'm doing right now. You part the diagonal line and you curve it the same way you did the right hand part. Then when you're done with that, you weave it all together, beginning from the tiny parts, just so it will look very neat and very beautiful. So once you're done with that, you cut the bottom part of the wing, the diagonal line again, and then once you're done, you just braid it all together. You continue, you just curve down to the end of the braid, then you join the two other parts together to make it one beautiful braid, and you look at your finished work. Very